Hey everyone, Krishna this side, and I welcome you all to this channel. So after a long time, I am recording this video on this channel. There were some reasons why I was inactive, and I had taken short break. But going ahead, I'll be consistent, and what are future plans as well. Those also I'll be discussing with you guys in this particular video. So yes, let's first quickly finish this one, and then I'll discuss some other things as well, which is something what I want to share with you guys as well. So yeah, let's first quickly finish this problem. You are given three integers x, y, z representing the position of three people on a number line. X is position for person 1, y is for person 2, and z is the position for person 3 who does not move. So both person 1 and person 2 move towards this person 3 at same speed. Determine which person reaches this person 3 first. Return 1 if person 1 arrives first. Return 2 if person 2 arrives first. 0 if both person reaches same time. It is quite straightforward. So what we will try to do is we'll just try to get the difference between this x and z. That way we'll get to know when this person 1 reaches to this person 3, and then there is this distance between this y and z. That is also something we will try to get it. And both the differences, when we get it, the absolute differences, we have to just check that if p1 and p2 both are equal, that means both has reached at same point in time. We have to return 0. That is something what it is trying to say. If p1 reaches first, that means p1 should be less than this p2, then we have to return 1. That is like for person 1, when it reaches first, we have to return 1. If p2 reaches first, then we have to return 2. Yes, it is really straightforward, and we can write the code in this fashion as well. Okay, so yes, that's all from this particular question. Now going ahead, let's discuss about some other things as well. What's going on in my personal life, and what I have to do further ahead. See, previously I was working with Infosys, right, working as a specialist programmer, and there were some reasons I have chosen that company as well. I was really interested into the stock market, and yes, of course, like working with service-based companies, I do get enough time, and I can easily balance both the things at same point in time. That was whole idea behind choosing this company. But with the time, I never felt like I should quit because I was making decent amount of money. Okay, from stock market, it was around more than the salary that I was getting. So it was near around 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs, around that amount I was making on monthly basis, and that was a decent amount. And I was more on focusing to work remotely, and company never forced me to come to office because my manager, teammates, everyone was really supportive while working with them. But with the time, they were getting pressure from higher management as well, and I should be start working from office. And there was some hike that was also going to happen by last year's end, towards the last year's end. And whatever the hike, and even the working from office, these things actually made me put into the this making this decision that I should look for remote job. Because see, whatever the amount that I'm making from stock market, it was more than enough to actually see myself survive. But I actually really enjoy working on developing something. I love to solve problems. I enjoy coding and all. But with the time, I was actually more prioritized into this stock market and all. Now things were settled down, but yes, obviously, I cannot just survive on the stock market and all. Okay, I do enjoy coding, and I work. I like to work on new stuffs and all. Even I started working as an Android developer. I published a few of the application on Play Stores as well during the initial time. I worked on multiple things. Okay, working on developing Android application, working on different backend frameworks and all. Even with this previous company, I worked on Linux, more on Linux stuffs and all. So yes, I am dynamic in nature. I do like to work on different things. So I never settle on one particular thing at any point in time. And yes, so far I tried getting a remote job, but the efforts were really less. I never tried putting a lot of efforts. I never tried putting myself into the challenging position where I should get a job on immediate basis. And that was really, it was kind of overconfidence and all. I shouldn't be like that. I do like to work somewhere, and time is actually moving really fast. And even in stock market, last 2 months were really difficult for me. And those were the things actually put me in a situation where I self-doubted myself as well in last couple of days. So I decided to take break in the stock market as well. And I was completely away from all these stuffs, at least for last weeks and all. I just hardly tried solving any problem and all. But going ahead, there were some plans that I am going to follow, and it will be well-disciplined plans. Okay, so at any point in time, I have to finish all those things on daily basis, and I'll be keep on actively trying to apply all the areas. Okay, majorly I'll try to get a job. Hyderabad location or more of Pune, but more towards the Hyderabad location only. Or if I get remote, it will be best thing because see there were some reasons as well why I was trying to look to get a remote job, some family things and all. So, but yeah, it is fine. I am completely okay to work with this Hyderabad or Pune location. I'll be keep on applying in these companies areas as well, where if any company is there. Right now, the idea is I should get some job, doesn't matter where I am going to work and all. Yes, that is the first priority. So I'll be next 2 months I'll try to get a job at any cost. So there are some plans that I'll show you what are the plans. But yes, I'm trying to get a remote job like this turing.com, and there are other platforms as well, even on this LinkedIn and all. Whatever the remote job that I have seen, I tried applying all the places, but it was really difficult to even get shortlisted for any company. So yes, it was because of me only, because I never tried putting a lot of efforts to acquire or get job, even like on this particular turing.com, right? Like I was kind of got selected for an interview, but never proceed for an interview and all. So things were taking back from my end only. So I'll be more proactive going ahead. I'll at least spend 1 to 2 hours on daily basis to uh, get reach out to recruiters and get at least a comfortable job. Then I'll again start into the stock market and all. Till that point in time, I'm not going to again see the charts and all anything in the stock market. Okay. I'm pretty much sure that with the time I'll be making huge amount of money from the stock market. I do have that confidence, but I enjoy coding as well. Doesn't matter on which particular stuffs I'm working, but I do like to challenge myself and like to work on things. So yes, um, even if I make yeah, huge amount of money, like whatever the salary that I do get, that if I was even able to make from stock market on daily basis, I'm not going to take this kind of risk going ahead at any point in time in future. So at least I'll try to work till age of 35 and all in this parallelly on both the things, and then we'll decide further. But yes, this is the last thing that I had actually taken this particular risk. But yeah, in future I'm not planning to take any kind of this kind of risk and all. So yes, I'll see more proactive. Like most of the, I don't know like what happened on this particular platform, but things were didn't work as I expected. So anyway, I'll try to get remote job, and these are the plans. Okay, going ahead for next 2 months, I'll be consistent enough to upload daily lead code question. And doesn't matter if it is easy, hard, any kind of question. I'll record. I'll make sure to record it and upload on daily basis. And one short video will be there. It will be more focused on core Java and miscellaneous topics, like I'll be taking questions from the Spring Boot or even from the operating system and all, Linux and all those things I'll cover daily basis. One short video will be there on this channel, and on daily basis I'll try to solve 15 to 20 questions, minimum 15 questions I'll try to solve. It could be solved questions as well as one I'll make sure to attend one lead code contest on daily basis. Okay, previous lead code contest, whatever it may be. And this is the plan to be consistent enough in DSA. And I'll be practicing on LLD and HLD. Yes, initially it will take some time because I haven't practiced a lot of LLD or HLD questions. Okay, for HLD, it is obviously someone should be there who should guide and all. But anyway, any particular topic I cover, I'll make sure to upload the video, and I'll try to get suggestions from you guys. If someone has a good idea, I'll try to get suggestions from them for this HLD questions. On weekly basis, I'll try to upload one HLD and HLD and LLD video as well. Okay. And lastly, at night, I'll try to spend some time working on any particular project to just keep brushing up on this particular stuffs, Spring Boot, React, and operating system SQL. I'll try to add more stuffs in this one, like Kafka, Docker, any kind of things that are there, right? Those require. So I'll keep on working on particular projects so that I'll be up to date with all these things. Okay. So yes, that's all. These are the plans. Obviously, these two things may take some time in initial phase because for LLD writing code from scratch, it may take some time. I had practiced few of the problems, but still, it was not a lot. Like 3 to 4 problems I have done. Like one was like book my show, cache and all these few of the couple of things like ATM, parking lot and all these few problems I had previously practiced, but not so recent time. So I'll make sure to practice at least 10 to 15 problems for this LLD and HLD. I'll make sure to cover there were books, right? Alex XU, I think part one I actually read back in time, and I thought like at any point in time if there is an interview so going to happen, I'll quickly brush off all those things and all, but I think I should be consistent enough on daily basis to go through these things. So yes, these things may take some time, like on daily basis, but apart from this, I think this will take 3 to 4 hours max to max if I cover all new questions on daily basis. But I guess other things will be coverable on daily basis. So these are the next 2 months plan. So it will be completely a challenging kind of thing. I'll make sure to finish these things daily basis. Then only I'll go on bed. Okay. So these are the plans. I hope you get the idea. So at any cost, I should get some job. Either it could be remote or Hyderabad or Pune location. These two are the preferred locations that I'll be going to have. So I'll try to see if I get job in those two locations at any point in time. Okay, going ahead in next 2 months. So yes, these are the future plans. And let's see how things goes, and let's see if I get any job in next 2 months, because the market is really tough right now. And whatever the risk that I have taken considering these things, right, like no one like to consider the candidates who is not working somewhere and all, right? So I have to make sure that I'll be putting some best efforts to get some jobs. Okay, that's all from my side. Let's see how I can cover these things on daily basis and all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.